Well, folks, it's time to prepare for a winter storm heading toward Texas and central Texas, as we will be seeing plenty of moisture roll in from the west. Cold air will be coming in from the north as the jet stream is taking a dip here, and it will be moving across the area as we head into our Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday will be liquid. Thursday will likely be ice and freezing rain, sleet, and things we don't like to talk about all the time. A winter storm watch is in effect for Thursday. It's already been upgraded to a winter storm warning out in San Saba County, but I do think the lion's share of this is going to happen after midnight Thursday, going through the day on Thursday. Ice accumulations up to 1/4 of an inch, snow and sleet. Well, we could get a 1/2 inch to an inch, especially Waco, Temple, Killeen to the northwest, and single digits and teens wind chills very likely. So it is going to get quite cold as we head into Thursday, probably Friday as well. So let's get into the details here, showing you that we do have plenty of clouds out there, and we will have mostly cloudy skies take over Wednesday morning. It will be dry though to start off the day, but we will have rain and a few thunderstorms roll in by about 4 to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And that means we're going to get some rain out ahead of this, and that's actually some good news. We need this moisture badly. But notice what happens as we head to late tomorrow night going into early Thursday morning. Now, I'm going to say this. I think this model is being very aggressive in how fast it brings the freeze line through. I don't think it'll be quite through Waco, Temple, Killeen just yet by 10 o'clock. I still think we'll be liquid rain, but northwestern counties, you will be in the freezing rain. But as we head toward 3 o'clock in the morning, I do agree with this, that we will see that freeze line come through, and freezing rain and sleet will be falling across the area, going right into 6 o'clock Thursday morning, continuing through 9 o'clock into the lunchtime hour on Thursday, and then starting to taper off by Thursday afternoon. But with that said, I still think there'll be some freezing drizzle Thursday night into Friday morning as clouds hold tough here across the area. So again, some of that wintry weather on the way. So forecast rainfall. This is for Wednesday. Looks like we will probably see rain totals anywhere between a 1/2 inch and an inch for most of us, and maybe some slightly higher totals in a few locations. So some good rain on the way for Wednesday going into early Thursday. And then we transition that over to ice, and this again is one of the more aggressive models out there, but up to a 1/4 inch of ice can't be ruled out. Trees, power lines, roadways, so we will continue to watch this. I actually took this model down quite a bit, so again, we could be looking at this. Again, this is one of the more aggressive models. There are other models that only bring about a 0.05 to a 1/10 of an inch. So not set in stone just yet here across the area, but something we're going to keep an eye on. Then we have the temperature forecast to talk about, and we'll do that here as temperatures will fall into the 50s as we head into Wednesday morning. Probably only climbing into the upper 50s to near 60 as we head toward lunchtime on Wednesday, and then temperatures begin to fall off. Again, this model is probably being a little too aggressive by about 11 midnight. I think the freeze line will probably still be just to the northwest of Waco, Temple, Killeen, but by the time we reach Thursday morning, temperatures will be falling into the 20s, and yes, I do think we'll have some freezing rain and sleet and snow potential, and that will go right into Thursday afternoon with temperatures probably hanging out into the low to mid 20s as we head into Thursday afternoon. So a cold time of it coming our way, and we get the rain first tomorrow. Actually, double arrow action going on here. We'll have falling temperatures tomorrow afternoon, not below freezing though, and then temperatures will just continue to fall on Thursday as well, with that chance for a wintry mix. Friday, maybe some freezing drizzle and flurries in the morning, tapering off in the afternoon, 32 degrees for a high, 19 Saturday morning, 36 Saturday afternoon, and then it gets better as we head into next week. Hey, maybe a few 60s by Tuesday and Wednesday.